Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Killer.
This video we just see a while ago is the arrival of the remains of the Right Honorable Mr. Edward Seaga. Mr. Edward Seaga arrived at the Norman Manley International Airport today, which is the 2nd of June at around 6 p.m. Mr. Edward Seaga died the 28th of May in a hospital in Miami, Florida after battling with cancer. Mr. Edward Seaga will be accorded with a state funeral, and you don't know, me Dancehall Killer will keep you up to date with the proceedings to that, you understand? Yeah, so again, condolences to the friends, the family, the loved one of a great leader, Jamaica's 5th Prime Minister, a man that has done quite a lot for this country, you see me? And as always, you don't know, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comment and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Killer ENT. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.